paper presentation for Intro to Cognitive Science for the spring semester. Right. To introduce, the goal of this paper was to explore the ways in which AI could develop human-level intelligence. I opened the paper with John Searle's famous Chinese room argument, which claims that mere symbol manipulation isn't real understanding, as if someone was in a room using a lookup table to translate Chinese to English. It doesn't mean they understand Chinese. To counter, I used Terrell Bynum's robot reply to introduce Chester, a learning robot that interacts with its environment. Bynum establishes that machines can develop intentional states, which begs the question, could they develop human-level intelligence? If they can, how do we ensure they remain safe and ethical? The design of the paper mainly focused on a philosophical discussion rather than empirical data. It contrasts Searle's biological view of intentionality with Bynum's vision of embodied learning machines. This contrast forms the background of a discussion about artificial intelligence, what it is, how it might emerge, and what risks it could pose. The second half of the paper transitions from theory to practical concerns. If AI doesn't need to survive like humans do, is it more controllable or more dangerous? Some of the limitations of the paper are the fact that it's more philosophical than empirical in nature, and further research needs to see how embodied AI can interact in real world settings and to see what beyond intentional states they can develop and how that affects how humans again interact with these learning machines. Beyond that, there's also a growing need to build ethical frameworks that align AI with human values. And finally, exploring the role of consciousness is another piece that could reshape how we think about legal and moral responsibility. As AI evolves, our ethics and our laws should also evolve with it. And this concludes my presentation. Thank you.